Hello there. In today's video, I am back with you with part 5 of how to create Google Forms. So in part 5 of how to create Google Forms, I am going to show you how to import questions from another form to put that question in the form which you are currently creating. So let's go.
Navigation bar back.
So I currently have a blank form in front of me. So I'll open that.
Trying to connect. New line. Chrome. Collapsed. Customize theme.
And I will give it a title.
Forms home. Untitled form. Edit box. Document title. Showing. Editing. Talkback menu. Editing up. Editing. Move. Cut. Copy. Selected text. Untitled form. Talkback. Read from. Editing. Editing. Move. Cut. Double tap. Cut. Untitled. Editing. Edit box. Document title.
So I'll give a title over here. For example, I will write tabs, or I will write my form.
My. FORM. Form. Space deleted.
So this is the title. Now
Keyboard.
we will learn how to import a question from another form to this form. Now if for example you are a teacher who teaches online, so if you make quizzes for your students, then it might be very tiresome for you to always create a new quiz and then write the basic questions like your name, your age, your class. Okay, type those questions out. It might become very difficult for you to do such things, but you could make use of the import questions feature which Google Form provides to make this work easier. By clicking on import questions, you could import a question which you have created, which you have set up in another quiz or form. So if you have set up 7 quizzes, so you need to write your name only in the first quiz, and then in the rest of the 6 quizzes you can import the same question from the previous form which you had created, so your work becomes easier. So let me click on the import question button and show you.
Import questions button. Double tap to activate.
So I'll click on this.
Select form. Dialog. Select form. In list. Go.
So
My form. In list. Item 1 of 6. My form Google Forms. Double tap to activate.
So now I have some the forms which I had created previously are coming in the list. I have to select the form from which I have to import the question.
In list. Item 2 of 6. Write a review to guide. In list. Item 3 of 6. My quiz Google Forms. In list. Item 4 of 6. Untitled form Google. In list. Item 3 of 6. My quiz. In list. Item 5 of 6. Untitled form Google. In list. Item 3 of 6. My quiz Google Forms.
So this is my quiz Google Forms from which I want to import the question. So I'll click on this.
Selected.
This is selected. Then
my quiz collapsed. Off list. My in list. Select. In list. In list. In list. Select button.
Then you have to click on the select button.
Import question. Import questions 0 button disabled.
Then there is import question 0. So that means it is showing the number of questions which you have imported from the form which you have selected.
No next default. My form. Multiple choice. Not tick. Close button. Import quest. My quiz. Change form button.
You could change the form as well.
Not ticked. Select all. Tick box.
So you could import all the questions which you have set up in that form to this form.
Select all. Not ticked. Your name. Tick box. Short answer.
Or you could select specific questions which you like. So I'll select your name.
Ticked. Your name. Short answer. Not ticked. Your age. Ticked. Your short. Not ticked. Promise that you will not. Ticked. Multiple choice. One option.
So that's it. I want to select these many questions only. Now I'll come to the very bottom.
Not ticked. Multiple choice. Not not, title, not, title, not, range, short, not, no, short, import questions 3, button.
And then you are getting this import questions 3 button. So because I have selected 3 questions, so it is showing import questions along with 3 button. So we have to click on that. So all these 3 questions will be imported to this form.
Showing Braille back keyboard active. Chrome. Your age. Undo. Button 3. My form. Edit box. Form type. Your age.
So now all these questions have been imported to this form. So that is how you could import any question from one form to the other. You could also import titles which you have added to that form, which I have not taught you yet. How to add titles I have not taught you yet. So but if you still know how to add a title to your form, so you could import that as well. So, and I have also made a few videos on Google Forms previously. You could watch that to understand Google Forms better. So this was it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.